Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SPF records. First, gather all your email sending sources, including your own mail servers and any third-party services like marketing platforms. Next, access your domain's DNS management interface, usually through your domain registrar or hosting provider. This is where you'll add or modify the SPF record. Understanding your sending infrastructure is crucial before you begin. Now let's craft your SPF record. Every record must start with v equals SPF1 to declare the SPF version. Then list all authorized senders. For third-party services like MailChimp or Google Workspace, use the include mechanism followed by their SPF domain. If you send email from your own servers, specify their IP addresses using IP4 or IP6. Be thorough to avoid legitimate emails being marked as spam. Once your record is complete, you'll publish it as a TXT record in your domain's DNS settings. It's critical to have only one SPF record per domain. Multiple records can cause validation failures. Conclude your record with an all mechanism, such as ~all for a soft fail or all for a hard fail, which tells receiving servers how to handle emails from unauthorized sources. Save your changes and allow time for propagation. After publishing, it's essential to test your SPF record. Use online SPF validation tools to confirm it's correctly configured and free of errors. Regularly monitor your email delivery reports and DMARC reports for any signs of delivery issues or spoofing attempts. This ongoing vigilance ensures your emails reach their intended recipients and your domain's reputation remains strong. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.